Hey there guys, so I want to tell you a little bit about my adventure today. It was like almost like a failed adventure at first. It supposedly have to be something like a live stream, like a travel sketching outdoors. However, it kind of failed, so it kind of resumed on something like this. And here it is what I have to show you. So I went to Aldeia de Couce. It's a small village here in Portugal, near Gondomar. It has a lot of beautiful sites that you can really take some pleasure to watch, you know. As soon as I visited the little village there, I took some photos. My purpose there was to just took a little some like 3 or 4 photos so I could like sketch them a little later on live stream at home wherever, you know. But since I was there, I really wanted to try to sketch something like in location, you know, on site. And that was what I did. It wasn't like the most beautiful scene at all, it wasn't. However, I just spotted a place with a little shade. It was really hot there. It was a really like, well, it was morning. However, it was already hot during that period of time. I already had done like 30 minutes walking, which for me it's a lot. And I was a little bit tired, so I just spot a shade in a with some tables and some benches, and I was like, well, I'm going to sit here and just sketch something. I saw like a little, like somewhat of a cabin in wood, and I look at it and yeah, it's this, you know, okay, that's it. I just picked up my sketchbook, my little sketchbook, picked up my pens, and just started it, okay? It was really somewhat cathartic, you know. It was really cool because I was like a little bit tired physically. However, I saw so many beautiful things, you know, like those little houses there. They were really beautiful. Those little stone houses. Then I got to see like a huge amount of sheep and goats, little goats like walking through me, and yeah, so I was really in the mood to do something there, you know. Despite like the whole main idea collapsed entirely. Despite that, I really wanted to do something there. So I just went for it. I just started sketching. And well, it wasn't the best sketch or whatever, you know, but it just served into something, you know. I really took pleasure on doing that. I kind of understood some things about what I should bring or not bring into this location stuff, you know, because like I brought my fine liners, that was fine, that was okay. But I also bought my watercolors, and I guess like for this type of sketching, watercolor, it's a little too much, you know. It takes too much time to dry. It takes too much time to be on the same spot. So, and if you want to bring a little, like some 2 or 3 layers on top of those, you really need to wait. So, yeah, probably it's not like the best option for doing this. Okay. So I guess I learned a few lessons around this. Also, a valuable lesson on don't forgetting the hat and some water. That sure is a valuable lesson for sure. And also besides that, I guess I I took some pictures, and as soon as I got home, like this whole site is like around 30 minutes from my house. So as soon as I got home, I was really hyped to try to do something in a more chilled and a more controlled environment, let's say. And I just picked up one photo and just went for it and did like a proper live stream with it, and just like sketched and painted with watercolors actually. And I was really happy with the overall result. Okay. again, it's not perfect. It's not supposed to even be perfect, right? This is like sketching. Like, as you can see here, my lines are really wobbly, and it's supposed to be like that, you know? The perspectives are not perfect, not at all, but that's kind of the point, you know? Like, I don't want to take like that much time into just a single thing, you know? It's supposed to be really like just going for it and just scribbling, and that's okay, that's fine, you just let it go, you know. Like, I could went with it like with some pencil sketches first and then going with the fine liners, but I just don't want it, you know. I just want to go all the way with the fine liners, commit to it, and yeah, that's cool, that's okay. So the final result, it's not like, well, eventually what I really expected. Yeah, I can say that. However, it's okay. So it's a nice sketch. It fulfills the whole purpose, you know. It was just to capture something from that trip, from that little journey there. And I got what, 1 hour of walking, and that was the positive side of all this. A little bit of exercise, an hour of walking, seeing some cool and really relaxing scenes, you know, on the nature, and got to get like a couple of images and that are ready then if I want to sketch them, you know. And that's a cool, really cool side of things, you know. So this might be, I guess, the first experiment on this travel sketchings. So the next ones won't be like in a live stream way because I already got that it won't be viable, not at all. But definitely I will start to try to plan things a little bit better and to try to get more shots, more video shots, you know, to do like a proper long form YouTube video so you guys can enjoy at least a little bit as what I enjoyed, you know. That's my whole purpose now. I'll still continue doing the live streams every day, of course, but I'll be doing these little long form videos in these like travel locations where you can see also a little bit of Portugal, and you can see a little bit of nature that we get here in our country. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. I'm sorry it's not like longer, but well, it is what it is. It was just something that I got to do like besides the live stream that's what I was planning to do. So yeah, so see you on the next one. If you guys want, you can subscribe here to the channel. I'll do live streams every day, so you can check that out. You can talk a little bit with me, and yeah, feel free to comment, to like, to subscribe as well. And thank you for being here. Cheers.